Morning. Today we will take another important topic, that is vehicle. So vehicle, we know the vehicle which is useful for the means of transmission, or it is also known as a convenience. Just like a machine. Uh, the machines help us to reduce our work, to save our time, because previously at the age of your grandfather, grandmother, or before that, the machines are not available. All the things that we are doing manually only. But as the science progresses, the machines are developed. So these machines helpful to reduce our work, or to we can say that the work became more easier with the help of that machines. And because of what, our time, uh, the time saving procedure starts. For example, um, if you want to grind something, so previously the women's used that pata and varvanta, or what we can use a mortar and pestle also. But nowadays the mixer grinders are available. Or you can say that if you want to load the some heavy things in the truck, or some furniture in the truck. So previously what they are doing, manually they are loading something. But nowadays the machines are available, which reduces the work, which reduces the time. So the vehicle is also the same medium, or the same thing like a machine, which we can use to reduce our work. So here the vehicle is used as a medium of transmission to give our medicine in a easier way, or in a very simpler form. We are using the vehicle. One second, for the preparation of medicine also, we are preparing, sorry, we are using vehicles. So this vehicle word is comes from a Latin language, which means vehiculum, from villare, which means to carry. It acts as a solvent, it acts as a diluent, it may act as a preserving agent, and it may act as a medium for transmission. So these are the certain roles of vehicles. So this vehicle, Latin vehiculum, or the villere, that means to carry. And in this picture, it is very nicely explained. The globules are here, herbs are here. So these herbs, the property of these herbs carry by these globules. Here also the certain herbs are there. This is the thuja. Just see, this is kept in the bottle, but we cannot give it. We have to do the potentization with the help of this mortar and pestle, and then this property will carry, or yeah, the power will increase, and this will carry through this globule, and then through the bottles we can distribute it to the patient. So this picture speaks all the things about the vehicle. Now, what is the vehicle? So vehicle means transmission. Vehicles are those substances which are almost chemically neutral, neither acidic nor alkaline. Therapeutically, they are inert, and they are having no medicinal property. This is most important. No medicinal property of their own, but Why we are using this? They are intended to carry the dynamic power of a drug safely to the interior of the human organism. क्यों? To fight the disease force. So this is a complete definition of vehicle. Again, I am repeating. The vehicles are those substances which are almost chemically neutral, neither acidic nor alkaline, therapeutically inert, having no medicinal property of their own, but they are intended to carry the dynamic powers of a drug safely to the interior of the human organism to fight the disease force. So this is a proper definition of vehicle. So homeopathic vehicles are material agents that are therapeutically means when you are uh, talking something about medicine, we are using the word therapeutically. So the medicine which we are giving to the patient, that is the therapeutic inert. So which should not have, it should not take part into any chemical reaction having no curative property. Because if that vehicle, if some have odd property, then this property will get combined with the medicinal property, and this will causes a chaos in the patient's body. So it should not have any curative property of its own, as well as chemically non reactive. उसके साथ क्या होना चाहिए? It should be chemically non reactive with drug substances. So this is the globule. बहुत अच्छा यहाँ पे पिक्चर आ रहा है. So this is the globule. When you open this lid and you want to pour the medicine, so that medicine, that medicinal property should not get interfere, or it should not be changed by the property of this vehicle, because this globule act as a vehicle. So it should be a neutral one. Otherwise, what will happen? The drug property that you will want to pour in it, and the property of this, the medicinal property of the globule will get mixed, and a new substance will develop. So to prevent this, it should be inert. It should not have any curative property. It should be non-reactive chemically, and it should not be any reaction with drug substance. So all these four properties should be there to any vehicle. And why we are using this vehicle? What is our intention? To carry the dynamic power of drug. Q, to fight against the natural disease which is present in the patient's body. They are media for extraction of the properties of the drug, its preservation and convenience of the properties of the drug to the intended site of action. So what is their role in our body? They only act on the intended site. They should not interfere with the chemical properties of drug. The extraction properties of the drug they should carry, or they can be used for the preservation. So these are the certain rules of the vehicles. We can administer this vehicle orally or by the olfactory route, or we can give that vehicle externally. So here again there is a definition. Vehicles are those substances almost chemically neutral, therapeutically inert, having no medicinal property of their own, but they are intended to carry the dynamic powers of the drug safely to the interior of the human organism to fight the disease force. Now, what properties or what are the qualities of ideal vehicle? How the vehicle should be. So first one is no curative property of its own. Otherwise, it will interfere with the property of drug substance. Second, chemically neutral, non-reactive with homeopathic drugs, because we are using herbs, we are using venoms, we are using disease products, we are using healthy secretions for the preparation of our drug, and all these components are having active principles. All these principles are having alkaloids, so they are having the certain chemical chain, a chain of protein, a chain of amino acid, a chain of carbohydrates, a chain of the different chemical components. So if your vehicle is combining, or if the vehicle wants to break that chain or have a tendency to react with that chain, then this will affect that medicine very badly, and hence that should be chemically neutral. At the same time, it should not be toxic. Otherwise, it will be harmful to the patient. Harmless, and it should be a safe. With that, it should be edible and it should be palatable. So its taste should be a good one, so that you can eat it very easily and you will digest it very easily. It should be stable. It should not be melt at the higher temperature. It should not be get freeze at the lower temperature. It should bear all the pressure. Capable to carry dynamic power of drug to the interior of human organism. At the same time, it should have a power to carry dynamic property of a drug. Why we use the word dynamic here? That question, that is your question now. Why we are using the word dynamic here? And I observe that only few girls are giving the answers to me. Boys are not giving. Just remember, yesterday only Dr. Nilesh Thorat sir has given the warning to the students, and the same message I will display to you in our group. If you are not listening the videos, then we will stop sending all these activities. We are doing the work. We do not have any books. We do not have our notes. We do not have any reference book. But still, we all staff are doing the things. We are preparing the things for you only. वी आर नॉट हिअर रिकामटेकडे नाही आहे आम्ही इथे कोणी तुम्हाला लेक्चर घ्यायला तुमचं. वी आर नॉट फ्री हिअर. वी आर हॅव्हिंग द सो मेनी वर्क विच आर अलॉटेड बाय द मॅनेजमेंट, and from that work we are giving the 1 to 2 hour to you. 1 hour for the preparation of lecture, 1 hour for making that giving the delivering the lecture, and the next 30 minutes for uploading it. So in and on, and after that 30 minutes we want a rest, because we are talking, we are doing, and then we are collecting all the things. So 30 minutes is for the collection. So all together we are utilizing and we are wasting, I am saying, 3 hours on you 72 students, and among that 72 students only 10 to 15 girls only, they are giving answers to me. So if today's answer, if I am not getting from all the 72 students, then anatomy, physiology and the pharmacy lecture will stop. You do yourself. We will not accept your any request. We will see you in the theoretical examination and in the practical examination, how you are writing, what is the quality of your answer, and then only we will give the marks to you. I don't know about the examination, whether they are the university is in a position to take the examination or not, but we will not send you in the second year very easily. Remember it. We will take the exam on our college level, and if you are getting the more than 50% marks, then only you are allowed to sit in the second year. So if you are not taking it seriously, why we are taking the online lectures? Because the network are not available at your place. You are not convenient at that time according to timetable, and that's why we are preparing these online lectures, so that in the 12 hours, 24 hours, whenever the network is available, you can listen it at your convenience. But you are taking the disadvantage. Aditya, Akash, Bhau Sahib, all the boys, they are not listening to the video, and I am now frustrated because of you first year students, especially boys. They are not taking it seriously. They are not giving the answers, and I will tell all these things to the management now. If the answers I will not get from this chapter, seriously, I will tell all these things to the professor and madam, and then they will take the action. whatever you want to tell, आप जो समझना है वो समझो, इसको warning समझो या strict instruction समझो, whatever you can and you do it. But I will take now the serious action. मुझे अगर ये आंसर नहीं मिले तो आज के सेशन के, remember it. I want all the 72 students should give the answers. All the 72 students should hear the video. सौम्या भी कभी रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करती है, ना कभी प्रीति यादव करती है. All the boys, they are in the same category. All the boys. Only the 10 to 15 girls are there. They are giving the answers to me regularly, and they are only seeing the video. Because remember that आपने कितना टाइम वीडियो देखा और किसने देखा, वी आर कंटिन्यूअसली मॉनिटरिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स. ये हमको पता है कि सपोज एक्स वाई युक्ता ने अगर वीडियो देखा है तो कितने टाइम तक देखा है एंड एट व्हाट टाइम. सो वी आर मॉनिटरिंग ऑल दिस डिटेलिंग्स. सो बी अवेयर. ऐसा मत समझो कि हमारे आप लोग घर में हो तो आप कुछ भी करो और हम लोग कुछ भी आपका बेयर करें. दिस विल नॉट बी विथ माई सब्जेक्ट. आपको करना है तो अच्छे से करो, नहीं तो यू गिव मी द एप्लीकेशन. मैम, आई डोंट वांट टू लिसन योर वीडियो, आई विल डू माय वर्क by my way. Give the application to me personally. I will carry forward it to the Golab sir. And if you want to do it seriously, then do it properly. So from this session, if I doesn't get the all the 72 answers, then I will stop sending the videos. You do your work. जिसको मुझे भेजना है, I will send them personally. I will not send it on the group. Okay. So this vehicle has a power of preservation also. So in the properties, we have seen that they should be chemically neutral, they should be therapeutically inert, they should not have any curative property, they should be chemically inert, they should not have any toxic property, they should be harmless. At the same time, they should be edible and palatable, they should be stable, they should carry the dynamic property of drug. Here there is a one question, why the dynamic word we are using here, and at the same time they should have the power of preservation. So these are all the qualities of drug substance, vehicle. Now the utility. Why we are using this vehicle? Utility, or you can say the uses of this vehicle. So we are using this vehicle in the different forms, in the different ways. So what are they? As menstruum, we are using this vehicle, liquid vehicle, as a menstruum. So menstruum, the definition of menstruum you know. So here there is a second question to you. What is menstruum? So the menstruum, we are using the liquid vehicle, use as a vehicle. For what we are using this menstruum? We are using for the preparation of mother tinctures. Now this second use is the use as a solvent. तो सॉल्वेंट कहाँ पे यूज करते हैं हम लोग? अगेन फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ मदर सॉल्यूशंस एंड preparation for the mother tinctures. So this is used for the preparation of tincture and solution. At the same time, we are using certain vehicles for preparation of mother substances. So third question is, write down the difference between mother tincture, mother solution and mother substance. Next, in the processes of succussion and trituration. So we know in the succussion we are using liquid vehicle, and in the trituration we are using solid vehicle as basis for preparation of external applications. So external application के chapter में हमने पढ़ा है for ointment we are using Vaseline, that is a semi-solid vehicle. For the liniment we are using oil, that is a liquid vehicle. For the preparation of lotion we are using water, again as a liquid vehicle. For preparation of plasters, we are using the wax, that is again a semi-solid. So we are using different types of vehicles for the preparation of external applications. As a preservative of homeopathic medicines, so we are using alcohol so that mother tincture can be preserved for a longer time. Dispensing of homeopathic medicines, that also we have seen yesterday. Dispensing of medicine, the important use of this vehicle, that is it can be used as a placebo. So placebo means unmedicated globules that you can use in the different conditions whenever the patient do not require any medicine. At that time we are generally give placebo so that patient psychologically feel relief, and we will get the appropriate action or reaction of that medicine. So to for the time being we are giving the placebo. Next one, for cleansing of apparatus and utensils. So in the cleansing of apparatus we have seen we are using acids, we are using alcohol to clean our utensils, providing relief due to its physical properties. So the physical properties that we will see once we will start one by one different vehicles. So this will provide the relief to the patient. For example, oil or the Vaseline, which will give the soothing effect to the skin. Then it is act as an antiseptics. So we are converting this vehicle in the different forms which will protect us from the diseases. So these are all the utility of vehicles. Again I am repeating. It is used for the preparation of mother tincture, mother solution, and mother substance. Then it is useful for the preparation of external applications. Then it is useful for the preservation of medicines. Then it is also useful for the dispensing of medicine, and it is useful for as a placebo. It is again used for the cleansing of apparatus and utensils, and it is useful for the use as a antiseptic. And one more thing is it can be used as a diet for small child. Sugar of milk can be used. Now the classification of the vehicle. So based on the physical property, we are classifying the vehicle into three groups: solid, liquid, and semi-solid. Examples of solid vehicle are sugar of milk, that we also called it as a lactose, cane sugar, that is sucrose, uh, globules and pills, pellets, cones, and tablets. And one more we can add here, that is the tablet. Sorry, that is the okay. Now all are we have added here. So sugar of milk, that is the lactose, because we made it from the goat's milk, so it will contain lactose. Cane sugar, that is the sucrose. Globules and pules, pellets, cones, and tablets. So these are globules. Sorry, these are globules, and these are you have to answer me, because I have given you the hint for this. So this is globule, and the second picture is related to question mark. Now the liquid vehicle, it is very easy: distilled water, alcohol, all five types, glycerin, solvent ether, simple syrup for the cough syrup and for giving the any type of medicine, olive oil, almond oil, sesame oil, chalmurga oil, hydrocarbons oil, and coconut oil. So these are the certain volatile and non-volatile oil. So these are the oils. In the oil, sorry, this olive oil or almond oil, sesame oil, hydrocarbons oil, chalmurga oil. These are all the non-volatile oils. So if you are keeping their cork open, they will not evaporate. But the volatile oil, just like a sandal oil or the lavender oil or the rosemary oil, these are under volatile oils. Example of oil. The third one is the semi-solid vehicle. So here the examples are paraffin. So paraffin may be hard or it may be the soft. The soft paraffin may be of yellow or may be of white. So paraffin means nothing but Vaseline. Liquid paraffin is also there. Then wax, it may be yellow or it may be white. Next one is the lanolin, spermaceti, isinglass, soaps, hard soaps, a soft soap, and a curd soap, and a starch. So these are all the semi-solid vehicle. One by one, we will see their uses and these vehicles, how they are useful in the preparation of external applications, that also we will see. So semi-solid vehicle. So here there is a good example of wax. Classification of vehicles based on utility. The vehicles for the preparation of mother tincture. So generally we are using alcohol. Mother solution. We are using distilled water, we are using glycerine, and we are using solvent ether. So the mother tincture, and for the mother solution, we are using ethanol, distilled water, glycerine, solvent ether, and sugar of milk. The liquid vehicles for liquid, we are using ethanol and distilled water. And dispensing, we are using for external application, we are using distilled water, we are using alcohol, we are using glycerine, and we are using different types of oils. So this is about the vehicles which we are using for the different purposes. The vehicles which we are using for potentization, of course, the sugar of milk, alcohol, and distilled water. Vehicles which are used for dispensing, they are the globules, cones, tablets, sugar of milk, distilled water, and simple syrup. Vehicles as basis for external application, distilled water, which is useful for preparation of lotion, alcohol is useful for preparation of mother tincture, glycerine is useful for the preparation of glycerol, different types of oils are useful for the preparation of liniments. So if you want to take a good smell, then you can use sandal oil, you can use sandalwood oil, or you can use the lavender oil. These are the certain vehicles which are useful for preparation of external applications. So impurities in vehicles. So कोई भी चीज सोसाइटी में अच्छी नहीं लगती हमको. To get the profit, some impurities are added. So what are they? From the source of raw material of a vehicle. जो जहाँ से बनाते हैं वहीं से adulterant वो हो सकता है. During manufacturing, sugar of milk से अगर बनाना है, so they can add their flour. ड्यूरिंग स्टोरेज में भी हो सकता है, यानी ये ग्लोब्यूल्स के जगह पे दूसरे कोई तो भी थर्ड क्लास के ग्लोब्यूल्स इसमें ऐड कर देना. So these are the certain adulterations that can be happening at the any stage since preparation up to the preservation. Okay, so this is about the vehicle, that is the properties, impurities, and their uses.